redoing this area here. Just found out this place has been abandoned since July. This dust here, this gutter is in my screens. The dust of it is in my lungs. Look what I've done. Hope the landlord's happy. This is a gift for him. I would have done this just because. Look at, I'm redoing it for him. This is what I want people to see. Since July, the mortgage company is supposed to be taking care of it. They're ignoring it. That stuff is going into my windows. Going into my windows. You can see the dust flying. That gutter there is breaking down, coming into the house. I've redone this. As you can see, I elevated it so now it doesn't flood downstairs. Glass is still here. Just me and my little rake. Look at the greenness of this. I brought it back. I'm leaving the spider grass in certain areas to level it. But this is hurting my lungs. I am the sole customer of the Department of Veteran Affairs. They took out the other lady. I call her Mud. She walked out of the courtroom, pissed off the judge. But I'm still being hurt.